Alrighty, now that we got the bot installed on your website, how are we going to get people to land on the bot? What does that process look like? So now this is step 2 of installing a bot in preparation to go live. We've programmed the bot, your bot, to accept different parameters that are sent from the contact form. We found this to be the best way, the highest converting rate, the best way to do it. So this is best practice for sure. We've already done step 1. We've already created a new page. So let's say the lawn care company's name is freespray.com/instant quote. That's done. We'll just check that off the list here. It's done. Next, now we need to drive traffic to the bot. We accomplish this by installing an iframe contact form or using the contact form that's already on the website, i.e. Gravity Forms, any form that you use. The only thing that we need to happen though is when that customer clicks on submit or get quote, that they land on they get redirected to a specific URL with certain parameters in that URL. Parameters are, think of it as like fields. So when you have a form, I'll just show you one of ours here. Anything entered in this box will be the name parameter. Anything entered in this box, in this case we're using Google to geolocate the address, would be the address. Email would be email, that kind of thinking. Phone number would be phone number. So that's basically how we're getting folks. I mean, they go to your website, they fill out the contact form, they click submit, and boom, they land right on the bot. They don't have to enter any more information because we just passed it all through the redirect with these parameters. The things that need to stay the same is source. Source equals contact form, and it is case sensitive, so it needs to remain this camel case where you have lowercase customer and uppercase zip equals the zip parameter. So for address, I want to make a couple things clear. We've programmed the bot to accept both formats. So we can either take the address string, such as 5915 Castle Brook Avenue Southeast, and then just the zip code. That's all we need to use to start doing our API calls into Zillow and your databases. But or we can use Google to geolocate the address, like it did in this case right here. We prefer the geolocation with Google, because it gets all of that data and makes it really easy on the customer. So if you're going to use the Google, if you're going to use a Google geolocate in your form, we would get rid of this customer address equals address and customer zip equals zip, and you would replace it with Google locate equals whatever that field is called within your form. So we've programmed the bot to actually accept that string. Let me grab it here. We've programmed the bot to actually accept this string right here. Whoa. And parse it down. So our bot will look for these commas and it will parse it down. So we've programmed to accept the Google geolocated format, and it accepts just address and zip as of right now. So that's kind of the process there. If you need help hooking this up, we feel more than comfortable with logging into your site and doing it. But that's basically kind of the functionality that needs to happen is upon clicking submit, the customer needs to land on your instant quote link, and then these parameters need to get passed to the bot. So it takes some trial and error typically, just to make sure the fields are mapping correctly, but usually takes us 5 to 10 minutes to do it. Thanks, hope you enjoyed the video.